Wondering what makes Progressive Auto Insurance stand out? In this video, I'll break down how Progressive works and what you should know before signing up. Progressive is one of the biggest auto insurers in the U.S., known for its competitive rates and variety of coverage options. You can get everything from basic liability to full coverage with collision and comprehensive protection. One of their popular features is the Name Your Price tool, which helps you find coverage plans that fit your budget. You set how much you want to spend, and Progressive shows options that match. They also offer Snapshot, a usage-based program that tracks your driving habits. Drive safely, and you could earn discounts. Progressive has a strong online presence with a user-friendly app, so managing your policy, filing claims, or getting roadside help is simple. If you have a history of accidents or tickets, Progressive can still offer competitive rates, but it varies by individual. Shopping around is always smart. If you decide to try Progressive, make sure to compare quotes to find the best deal. If this video helped you understand Progressive better, hit like and subscribe for more insurance tips. Thanks for watching.